Hey collectors, Anthony from HashersNet here today with the PlayStation 5 disc version. Now this powerful gaming device is hard to come by, and thanks to PlayStation Direct, finally obtainable, with backwards compatibility with the PlayStation 4 and support for downloads from even older games, it would have been difficult to pass up this video gaming console. In addition to an unboxing, I will install a M.2 SSD and tell you how to order your own PlayStation 5 directly from Sony at MSRP. So stick around. This is where I tell you how you can get your own PlayStation 5, either disc or discless, at MSRP directly from Sony. Now the first thing you need is a PlayStation Network account. If you have that, then you can go to the PlayStation Direct website, which is direct.playstation.com, to register to be put on a waiting list. Once you're on the waiting list, you may be selected to purchase a PlayStation and a number of accessories and games during a certain time window. So that means that if you don't get there first and you don't get there early, you may lose your opportunity during that window. But now here are some catches. If you are a PlayStation Plus member, or a PlayStation Network Plus member, or however you call it, PSN Plus, who cares? As long as you're one of those, that gives you a head up on somebody who's just part of the PlayStation Network. If you are a long-time subscriber, then that gives you a heads up on somebody who is also on the PlayStation Network or just PlayStation Plus. And if you are somebody who's participating in the PlayStation Research Program, or have a rewards card or something along those lines, that gives you another heads up. Now let me explain to you really quickly my experience. Now I registered for the PlayStation Direct about 2 months ago, and I was given an opportunity to purchase my PlayStation. The problem was it was during work hours, and the notice was super short, so I didn't get there until 2 hours after the window, and I missed the window by about 30 minutes. So that tells you they had systems for about an hour and a half. Now, I was bummed out. About another, I said 2 months passed. I finally get another email. 18 hours later was the next window. So I plan ahead. I go to my phone at the allotted time. I log in, make sure I'm logged in the PlayStation account. Now, the day previous, I had gone onto direct.playstation.com and placed into my cart accessories. Now, you have to buy at least one additional item to get free shipping. So I picked PlayStation Plus renewal, and then when it was time to do my system order, I went into the login. I was in a queue to the line, 45 seconds, then I got to the line. It tells me I have an hour to wait. Now, I thought, okay, I'm going to go clock back into work because I had clocked out to do this. And then I'll just clock out again for whatever time it takes to order my PlayStation 5 and be on my way. Literally 2 minutes later, I was in the storefront buying my PlayStation 5. Within 5 minutes, it was ordered and paid for. That's how easy it is, but it's only that easy if you have the, first off, PlayStation Network account, you have PlayStation Plus, you have all the years I have, you're part of the PlayStation Research Project. Anything else that shows that you're a big PlayStation fan gets you in front of the line. And that's what you need to know. Don't forget to check out in the description the link for PlayStation Direct. Again, it's direct.playstation.com, and take a look and register today. So here we have the PlayStation 5. This is the disc version, as you can see here. And we'll go around the box. Just shows you what generally is in it. Lightning speed, breathtaking immersion, stunning graphics. It's rated E. 10 apparently. So 9-year-old, sorry, but that's what the box looks like. And we're going to push it down like this. Oh, this thing is not like to begin with, but oh, there we go. Let's put this box aside. And it's all, except for this one symbol on the front. So let's open this box. Oh, look, box instructions. Anyway, inside a third box. Feels like I'm being tricked. And this box is upside down at that point. So let's flip it around. What's in here? Oh, individual boxes. Oh, there's the system. It's hiding inside there. Oh. Nothing left in that box. So before I look at that, let's take a look at this. And inside, this is the controller. I like the sticks. That's I actually don't hate the pad at all. That actually it feels pretty good there. I kind of wish it would have included the paddles down here. I guess maybe they're gonna release another secondary controller edition at some point. I don't know, but that's interesting. Let's see. Oh, back here, the USB charging cable. The front here is the power cord. Instruction. Safety guide, you know, in case you're prone to doing some stupid stuff. So don't do stupid stuff. It's a $500 game system. Definitely don't do stupid stuff. And this, oh, HDMI cord. And then this is the base. The screw must be inside of the system still. Boy, this looks 3D printed. I mean, some 3D prints look really good, so who knows. So let's put this stuff away. Oh. Unroll it like a burrito, because burritos are delicious. Oh wow, it's a lot of burrito. Oh, there we go. This thing is heavy. And here we go. USB, mini USB. Yeah. And then eject and power. Oof. Just hear it scraping. I feel bad for it. USB, two of them, Ethernet, HDMI, power. And that's pretty neat. Of course, here's that PS emblem. Now that we've looked at the PlayStation 5, let's set it up so we can put the SSD card in. Now, I happen to grab a WB Black 980 500 gigabyte, and so it has a read speed of 7,000, which 5,500 is the minimum, so this should work perfectly. It's actually one of the highest rating ones. This one's it's a 99 without the heatsink and 130 with the heatsink. Of course, double the price, you get the 1 terabyte model, so it varies based on storage capacity, obviously. And so the first thing we're going to do is lay the system down, and I have the drive on this side facing away, and just lift up this piece here and push, and that will allow the plate to come off. And there are little things, it's white on white, so you're not going to be able to see it, but there's little etchings and stuff. It's little clever PlayStation nod things. Anyway, there's a screw here on a plate, which I will show you right here. We're going to take this off, and you need a Phillips screwdriver. Mine has a magnetic tip, so hopefully nothing will be a problem if I drop something. And let's see. Plate off, screw off, and now let's go to the box here. Be very careful. As you see, here it is. Pull the box, pull the M.2 or M.2 SSD, I should say, and as you see, it's already in its heatsink. Now, there's only one way it can go in, and it's with the small side facing the outside of the system. And we are going to slide it into a slot up here. It goes in at an angle, but before we get that far, I want to unscrew the little bit here that helps keep it even. And you don't know how you can see it. It's right here. There's a screw, and so we will pull it out first. Magnetized screwdriver. Okay. The bit is super small. I don't know how well you can see it, but this is an 80 or 980, I guess. So it goes in the 80 slot. Take the SSD card and at an angle, place it in here. You'll see where the contacts are, and it'll have a little bit of a click. And then you hold it down while you put the screw back in. Screw the screw back in. And you don't got to do it too tight, just enough to keep it down. There you go. Here's what it looks like. So rather straightforward. Next we'll put the plate back on. Slide it into the position. And it rests gently on top. If you forget the plate or you don't do a heat sink, you can overheat your system. And then worse, it'll force it to shut down every time it gets warm. At best, it'll throttle. Neither of which are scenarios you really want. Because hard crashing because your system is overheated sucks, and you may lose whatever you're working on. So, keep that in mind. So, finally, as we see these things kind of spike upwards, they go into the matching holes, and you lay it down even and just push up, and you get that satisfying click. And we have officially installed an SSD. That is all there is to it. And it's pretty sweet. Now, if you want to see gameplay footage or whatever, I might do some broadcasts later on. But otherwise, there are plenty of videos you can check out. And that concludes our look of the PlayStation 5. Now, I have told you how to get your own. I've unboxed it, and I've installed an SSD. Let me know in the comments what you think about the PlayStation 5. Do you have anything about it that you really like? Thanks for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe.